Children, good morning everybody. How are you? Welcome to our channel is Smart Study. So, due to this corona, day by day cases are increasing so on. Yes or no? There is no chance of starting the schools now. So, from today onwards, what I am thinking means your fourth class science subject. Okay, all classes, all lessons I will teach you every day from today. Okay, you have completed third class and entered into fourth class now. Right now. Okay, welcome to fourth class children. From today onwards, we shall start our science classes. The first lesson is food and digestion. Okay, whatever food we eat, different types of food we will learn in this, and how the food gets digested also we shall see in this lesson. Okay, before starting the lesson, they have given us here some activities. See here what they have given us. Circle the food items that are considered good for health. Okay, what they have given in this all food items which are good for health, they asked us to circle. Here what are there? Milk is there, chapati is there, burger, ghee, this Coca-Cola, and some fruits and vegetables are there. In this, which are good for our health, they asked us to circle. You know that what milk is good for health. Yes or no? So circulate. Next one, chapati is good for health. Circulate. Next one, what? Ghee is good. Circle. Next one is fruits and vegetables. These are also very good for health. This burger and what Coca-Cola are not good. Healthy foods for us. They are fats. Yes or no? So these are not that much good for health. Avoid eating this one more. Now shall we move to our lesson? See. First, what is our lesson name? I told that food and digestion. My first question is why we should eat food? With eating food can't we live? No, definitely we can't live, because if you need to do any work, you need to eat, play, write, thinking, any work you want to do, you need food. If you eat food only, what will happen? We will get the energy. If we are having energy only, we can do any work. So food is very important for us in our life. Yes or no? If we eat the food only, it will give us energy, then only we can do any works. By eating the good food, what will happen? Your growth will be good and you will not get any diseases and you will be healthy. How you'll know that you are feeling hungry? Suppose you went outside and you played. Now you are playing a lot during the corona holidays. I am seeing everybody, children outside. You played for 1 hour or 2 hours and come inside to home. What you will feel as you played? Your energy will be wasted. Again you will feel what? Hungry. You will feel very tired and hungry. Yes or no? Immediately your mind says for you what? That I am feeling hungry, I need to eat food. Again, if you eat the food only, you will get energy and you can play again. Yes or no? Yes, that is why food is very important for us. So if we eat the good food and healthy food only, you can be healthy and your growth will be good and you will get energy. And if you are having energy only, you can do any work. In the pictures you can see the girl is very active here. Yes or no? And here children are playing and one boy is reading. All are doing this works, means why, how they are able to do work? As they are eating food only, they are having energy. If they are having energy only, they are able to do this work. Okay, next one. Now we are eating different types of food. What will be there in the food? We shall see now. Food will contain nutrients. Okay, many doctors all will say for you should eat the nutritious food. What is meant by nutritious? We shall see. See, every food will contains the nutrients. If you eat the food that which contains of the nutrients only, your body growth will be good and you will get the energy. There are different types of nutrients in the food. We shall see now. Mainly there are 5 different types of nutrients. Okay, what are they? Means see, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Okay, all these type of nutrients will have different function. Okay, each one will be useful for different function. We shall learn about each one clearly. So what I told for you, food will contain different nutrients. Okay, depending upon their functions. The nutrients are of 5 types. What are they? First one is carbohydrates. Okay, this is first one. Next one is fats is second one. Third one is proteins. Fourth one is vitamins. Fifth one is minerals. What are all these? These all are the different types of the nutrients. And along with these nutrients, food also contains one more term, that is roughage and water. Okay, roughage means what? Nothing but fiber foods. I will tell for you about that later one. Okay, roughage and water will not come under the nutrients. Remember it. Again I am saying roughage and water will not contain any nutrients. Nutrients are what? Only carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. This roughage and water is different term, but it also, the food will contain that also. First we shall learn about the nutrients. In nutrients I told 5 types, no? First one is what? Carbohydrates. We will learn the carbohydrates first. Okay. Why do we need carbohydrates? Means they give us energy. Okay. For taking energy, we need to eat the food which contains the carbohydrates. If you eat the food which contains of carbohydrates, means what will happen? You will get energy. So if you are having energy only, you can do any work, whatever you want. You can play or read or eat or swim or anything you can do if you are having energy only. How you will get energy? If you eat this type of food, carbohydrates only, we will get the energy. See, again this carbohydrates food is of 2 types. What are they? Sugar and starch. Sugar means what? You all know, sweet foods. Okay, in honey sweet will be there, yes or no? In sugar sweet will be there. In some juices also we will have sweet, yes or no? All the food which contains sweet are called as the sugar type foods. And next one is what? Starch. Starch means what? Ganji antam kada nana, pindi padardalu. Okay, some corn flour, mokkajonna pindi. Okay, that one is called as the starch. Starch will be present in which type of foods? We shall see now. See, starch will be present in some cereals. Like cereals means, don't think again TV cereals. Cereals means what? Rice, wheat, maize. These food items are called as the cereals. Okay, in this rice, wheat and maize, cereals will be present. Okay, and in some vegetables also, what? Potatoes, peas, sweet corn. In all these vegetables also starch will be present. Understood? See, carbohydrates will be of 2 types, sugar and starch. Sugar means all sweet food. Starch means, I told no, pindi padardalu. It will be present in some cereals like what I told, rice, wheat, maize, and in some vegetables like potato, peas and corn. Why we need to eat this carbohydrates? Means I told for getting energy, no? Who needs more energy, you say? Who will do lot of exercises daily, physical work, yes or no? Still who will do? Sports persons will be there, no? Who will play different games like hockey, cricket. They need more, so they should eat the food which contains more carbohydrates. And laborers will be there, they will be doing lot of work every day, yes or no? So they need to eat food which contains of more carbohydrates. Okay, people who do this physical work and laborers and all the sports person need to eat more food which contains of the carbohydrates. Okay, now we shall move to the next one. Next one is what in nutrients? First one carbohydrate, second one is what? Fats. Why we need these fats? Means same reason as carbohydrates only. We need to eat carbohydrates for what? For getting energy. These fats also will give us energy. Okay, and this keeps our body warm. Okay, if we eat the food which contains fat, it keeps our body warm. But one drawback is there in these fats. What means? Fats means what? Which contains oil, ghee, butter. All these food items are called as the fats. You should not eat this more and more. If you eat in excess, what will happen? You will become very fat. That means you will get a disease called obesity. Obesity means what? The people who are very fat. Okay, such persons are called people, and the disease is called obesity. See, for example, carbohydrates. For example, I took rice in one bowl. Okay, one bowl full of rice I took, and in one bowl I took fats. For example, see this jalebis or gulab jam. These come under the fat. No, one gulab jam, that is fats, and in other cup I kept the carbohydrates, rice. If you eat in this both in equal amount, if you eat, means what will happen? From carbohydrates you'll get more energy, or from fats you'll get more energy. Means from fats only you will get more energy. Why? Because in fats lot of oil, butter, ghee, all this will be present, no? But you should not eat this fat which contains the food fats more and more. What will happen if you eat more and more? It will store in our body in excess. Yes or no? Those can't be digested and you'll become very fat. So it is dangerous. You should eat fats in limit only. So what did you understood now? These both carbohydrates are used for giving us energy only. Fats are also used for giving us energy only. So can I say these both carbohydrates and fats are called as energy giving foods? Yes. Why? Because we are taking energy from both the carbohydrates and fats. See, this point is very important. Carbohydrates and fats are called as the energy giving food, as they are giving energy to us. Remember, carbohydrates and fats both are called the energy giving food. Here some pictures are there, you see. What are these? These all pictures are comes under the, these all food items are energy giving foods. That means carbohydrates and fats are food items. First one is what? Rice, chapatis, banana, bread, potatoes, popcorn, jam, gulab jam, jalebi, ice cream, butter. In all these food items, carbohydrates and fats are present. Okay. Given as a small activity, observe here. I told you till now about carbohydrates and fats. Now how to test these food items whether they are carbohydrates or fats means, see, first do test for carbohydrates. Okay, if they gave some food items for us, in that carbohydrates are there or not there, how you should check means, you should take some food which contains of the carbohydrates, like take some rice and take some potato and take some jalebi, like that. Okay, take different food items which are containing carbohydrates and fats. Now what you'll do means, take a small drop of iodine. Iodine means nothing but it is a chemical which will be there in brown color. You add 1 or 2 drops of that iodine chemical onto that food items which contain whatever food items are there. Okay, when you pour 1 or 2 drops of iodine onto that food items, if that food item changed from brown color blue black color means that contains the carbohydrates. Okay, if that doesn't change to blue black color, does not contain carbohydrates. Suppose if you take rice in one bowl, if you add 1 drop of iodine into it, it will change immediately from brown to blue black. You can experimentally if you want. Okay, so we can understand what in that rice is a carbohydrate because it is changing from brown to blue black color. If you take jalebi and add that iodine color, it will not change to blue black color. Why? Because that is not a carbohydrate, it is a fat. If you put on potato, it will change from brown to blue black color. Why? Because it is a carbohydrates. If you want, you can test in different food items. Whichever food item change when you pour iodine, they change from brown color to blue black color means they contains the carbohydrates. Okay, next one is test for fats. Now we shall check how to do this test for fats. Fats means what I told, all the food which contains oil, ghee, butter, paneer and all those. Okay, how to check the food is containing of fats or not means, take any fat item like jalebi, gulab jam, all this. Okay, and take 2 tissue papers. Take that food item and keep in between the 2 tissue papers and press those tissue papers by keeping the food item in the between. What will happen when you press that? All the oil which is present in that food item like jalebi or gulab jam will be spread to that tissue paper. Okay, if that oil whole goes and spread tissue paper, we can understand that that food item is a fat. Yes or no? You'll take bhaji will say no. That one if you keep under the oil, what will happen? Generally we'll keep tissue papers between and we will press. All oil will be coming under it. So it is a fat. Okay. Today we have learned about this carbohydrates and fats. Now in the next class I shall say you about the proteins, vitamins and minerals. Okay, if you are having any doubts in this today's class, you can put in the comment box or you can call us personally. We are ready to say. Okay, if you have not understood anywhere, if you are stuck anywhere, go back again where you are having doubt, listen again that video where I told, again pause there and listen again and again, you can understand clearly. Okay, clearly we are giving and showing you whole text Now in this time we can't go outside and buy textbooks also, no. Every PDF I'll give for you in the description box. After completing each lesson, all papers I will send the PDF in the description box. You can take a printout of it, or you can directly take the screenshots and read. Okay, if you are having any doubts, you can put in the comment box. If you like this video, please like and share. Thank you.